Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're still watching Creative Business with Lloyd Luna, and our second guest, ladies and gentlemen, is very interesting. Non-traditional interactive advertising. How about that? Advertising device system and medium. Ladies and gentlemen, the person who is doing nanocasting, in fact, yung mga naririnig nyo sa ilang restaurant, or what do you call it, ilang mga stores ng isang popular food chain. Siya po yung gumagawa, ladies and gentlemen. Here with me today, the owner of KDO. Is it KDO?
That's correct.
That's KDO. KDO Advertising. Mr. Nestor Panganiban.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah.
How are things going?
So far, so good. Getting better.
Yeah, always a pleasure to have a guy like you. I mean, really, to have a guy like you, because I can only hear your product outside. I mean, if I dine in at some place, I hear this music playing, di ba?
Yes,
yung mga chan, 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 chan. Hindi natin alam sinong gumagawa nun. And now, here you are. You are doing it. So, tell us more about what you do really. KDO. KDO Advertising.
How it started?
How you really started? I mean, have you ever thought of venturing into this kind of business when you were very much younger?
Wow.
I'm not saying you're old.
Okay.
That is not to say you're old.
Yeah, okay. Well, it was back in 1992.
92. Wow. Let me think about
Very,
that. I was
very
10 years
long.
old.
Yeah. You were 10 years old. Let's not talk about the age. Okay, just the year. 1992. Okay.
92.
I was working at, I mentioned the name of the company. It's Duty Free Philippines. Okay. I was in the liquor section. I was selling liquor. So there was a problem in communication. I was a sales assistant, so we have to sell the product, promote the product, Johnny Walker. So sinabi ko na rin, ka-promote kayo ah. Okay, so now, nilalapit ako, so what's the promo of Johnny Walker? For every $25 purchase of Johnny Walker, entitled for blah blah blah. So after a few seconds, ito na naman, anong promo ng Johnny Walker? For every $25 purchase of Johnny Walker, entitled for blah blah blah.
How many times do you repeat it in a day?
So many times. So sabi ng friend ko, sabi ng kasama ko si John Gallardo, alam mo, para tayong sirang plaka eh. Ba't di na lang natin ng recorder dyan, tapos pag-play na lang natin? Then let those people, o pakinggan nyo na lang po.
Right. No-brainer, di ba?
Diba?
No-brainer, yeah.
So there's a problem. Sabi ko, teka muna, but we have ceiling speakers. Why not maximize it na natin ceiling speakers? But before they come to nasa second floor kami. So dinadaanan nila, narinig na nila yung commercial. So there's a problem. That was 1992. And from there, meron ako palaging notes eh. Sabi nga parang waiter daw ako pala. Kasi ideas ko palagi sinusulat.
Where did you get that concept of bringing notes and pens? Did somebody tell you to do that?
Because I took up philosophy.
Right.
So philosophy ideas yan eh. Right. So you have to write it down. Pero nobody nobody told me to do this stuff. Okay. So it all started there. So that was 1992. I started conceptualizing na. Sulat ako ng sulat. Ano kayang solusyon dito? I need 10 reasons why you have to come up with this kind of concept.
That's philosophical there.
That's
philosophy, di ba?
Kasi Mr. Philosopher ka.
10 reasons why you need
something like
this.
Right. So I came up with that. I made the proposal. It was the first proposal that was turned down. Oh man.
Really?
I was turned down. So I was challenged talaga. Sabi ko.
You went up to the boss.
Yes, pinapirma ko lahat sila, pero na-receive ko. And binigyan nila ako letter of reply na ginagawa na raw nila yon. But it's okay. I understand. So that time, ang ceiling speakers at that time, it's really designed for paging. It's not really designed for,
lost and found.
Lost and found pa yun. Ngayon, may text na.
Right, exactly.
So, ang tagal, ang journey ko. So sabi ko, I have to come up with, strong credibility. I have to have this, credibility. So, dapat kailangan ko maging DJ, pumasok sa radio, pag-aralan ko talaga ins and outs nito.
Right.
So nag-apply ako. Took me 12 years bago makapasok sa radyo, kala mo ba?
Right.
Just imagine, lahat ng station na-applyan ko na. So nakapasok din ako. So I wanna know the ins and outs of broadcasting eh. Right. So from there, umabot tayo dyan hanggang tinus ko na naman sa market.
But what made you hold the idea so tight? I mean, it seems like you're not going to give
talaga
up. I mean, it seems like you're not going to give up that radio advertising
18
idea.
years eh. Just imagine, 18 years.
Did you really see the opportunity that one day it will be a hit?
Yes. One day, sabi ko. Kasi narrowcasting back then, wala pa yan. Yung concept na yon. But according to some of, one friend na tinuro daw sa kanila, pero hindi inano sa school, binigyan ng importance.
Nobody
No.
implemented it.
Nung talaga walang focus. Kaya even I call mga advertisers, they didn't know narrowcasting talaga.
Right. So tell us more about this
Mhm.
narrowcasting in
Okay,
Tagalog.
that's-
How do you do
So,
that?
yung mas particular na coverage, narrow, mas maliit.
Mas maliit.
Oo,
Okay,
mas
ang
maliit.
broadcasting kasi
Malaki.
So ibig sabihin nun,
Particular.
kahit sinong tamaan, di ba? Basta magsasalita
Sa broadcast,
ako. Sa
okay.
broadcast.
Ito broadcast to eh.
So mayaman mahirap basta mapatune
Sa pulyon.
Sa pulyon. Okay?
Mm.
Itong narrowcasting,
Particular yan.
particular.
So what do you maximize naman sa madaming klaseng narrowcasting? Actually, internet is another example of narrowcasting. But sa Wikipedia, based on my research and study, 2005 lumabas ang article sa Wikipedia. But in the history, lumalabas 1967 pa pala idea kay Licklider.
Really?
Is the pioneer of ng internet, siya yung pioneer ng internet. Siya yung nag-coin yun. Tapos dinabas ng Wikipedia 2005.
Right.
Tapos na-discover mo sometime 2008. So walang ganong may alam.
Mhm.
Tapos there's a narrowcasting, National Narrowcasting Network in the US. They formed this. They focus on LCDs.
Right.
But tatlo makikita mo sa narrowcasting sa Wikipedia. Another one is Jonathan Stern, Dr. Jonathan Stern, isang nag-push niyan. Another one is the idea of Cabvision.
Cabvision.
Doon din na kinuha. Yung Cabvision, it's back in 2000, we started the idea KDO. Kami ni Brian. Actually, kasama ko si Brian noon, Ligsay. You know,
Right.
Brian Ligsay. So, we had this small tour. We tried it. 1999. We had, sa bulletin na feature noon. So, ang nangyari noon, yung, itong Cabvision na to, 2000 lumabas pala sa London. Cabvision is, when you ride a taxi, there's a small monitor, then you can choose what video or what do you wanna watch.
Really?
They call it Cabvision. So that's ang pinaka-example ng narrowcasting sa
Narrowcasting.
Wikipedia.
Okay, so precise, very precise yung
Napa-
ina-advertise
oo.
mo. At the same
Mm.
time, precise din yung message na for a particular client.
Yan, isa lang yun, dalawa, tatlong
Right,
passenger, di ba? So, but it's still captive, but it's narrow, maliit eh.
Right.
So, kaya ang broadcasting and narrow,
Magkaiba
pinsan,
sila talaga.
halos magkapatid yan eh.
Pero
Pero,
pag narrow kasi mas
lumiliit na siya.
Lumiliit na.
lumilita siya.
So may pros and cons pareha.
Yes, oo.
So tell us more about the business of KDO. What do you exactly do? You install sounds,
Yeah,
music,
there
store.
Yes. So there are two, actually three services talaga yan. One is the KDO CAD program, there's the KDO Live program, and the KDO audio production. When you say KDO CAD, it could be done, alam mo yung Adobe software, di ba? You can mix it down, music and commercial, tas come up with one file na lang siya, di ba?
Right.
Audio file,
Tapos
MP3. Burn mo siya sa CD, play mo sa CD player.
Right.
Pag hinok yan sa audio system nila, lalabas yung sa CD speakers, it would sound like a radio.
Right.
So that's CAD.
Radio in store.
The term in-store radio, for me, based on study, is a wrong term. Okay?
Really?
It's
What
a
makes
wrong
it wrong?
term. Okay. Let me explain. Because this, I'm going to respect those people who are practicing it, because that's what they believe.
Yeah, I'm going to invite them also. One of these
Okay.
days.
Sige, doon ka sa kabila. Okay, let them defend.
themselves.
Okay.
In store radio.
Okay.
What makes it wrong?
Why? Okay, let me explain.